If you wanted to set up the alarm clock on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, then what we need to do is first of all find the clock app that we can find, for example, in the app drawer. And then over here we should be able to find some example alarms. You can add them, but I'm gonna show you how to create your own one. So simply press this plus button over here in the bottom right corner. If by some reason you don't have these alarms or this alarm menu, then make sure that we have alarm selected over here in the bottom left corner. So let's press this plus button. Then you can select when the alarm should go off. So let's say I'm gonna set it to 8 AM. There we go. Then we can choose the ringtone. If you want to use a custom one, we can choose whether the alarm should be repeated. Like for example, once, it should go off just once, or it should be working enabled on a daily basis. And we can also choose to customize and choose which days of the week should be included. Then we can also choose to enable or disable vibrations when the alarm goes off. We can also delete the alarm after it goes off, and we can also set up the label for our alarm. Once we are done, press this check in the top right corner. And there we go. Here we can tap on these switches in order to turn on or off the alarm. Once you turn it on, you will see when it will go off. And like I said, you can also customize these that you already have, so you can tap on them in order to quickly customize the time when the alarm should go off. And you can also go to additional settings to find more options. Tap on these three dots in the top right corner in order to find more settings for the alarm, and not only alarm but some other stuff as well. You can also press and hold your finger on the alarm in order to select the alarm, and then you can delete them, for example, like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!